stuff with data, but we still need a little bit more background. So today I want to talk about two-dimensional arrays and start introducing you to this. But first thing, remember, we need to think about where we're working. We got to keep these things straight. So remember, I always work in Documents, and I have my teaching folder, Python 17, then I have my ScreenFlow videos. I'm going to make a new Python notebook here. What I always do whenever I start, I put my mark down. All right, and this is going to be, I'm going to use two-dimensional arrays. Right, but now we need to do our matplotlib inline. Usually what I do is I usually cheat. So we can go back to an older one. So here's a fit-align video. We copy that, close it, leave page, put it in, and you are ready. And then we can rename this two-dimensional arrays. All right, remember now I'm going to read a CSV file from Excel. Here's my CSV file that I have in Excel. Let me see if I can. Right, and what I want to do is when I go to File, Save As, make sure it's in the same folder. It's in ScreenFlow Video, so we are in good shape. So I can save it there. I'll replace what's there, and then say it's all right. It's a CSV. And it's going to work. So I'm going to close that. I already said this, so I don't need to save. I'll make this a little bigger. So now we're ready to go. So now we can use our generate from text. So what we can do is I'm going to call this 2D equals NP gen. Remember, hit your tab to help you fill in. Put quotes. And again, hit your tab. Remember, there it is. It gives you these options. 2D.csv. Right? And it ran, it's in. So now if I do print, I'm just going to do this. 2D. Uh-oh. It didn't work. What did I forget? I forgot. So I can go back and rerun it. I forgot the delimiter equals comma. And see if it works. Oh, and there it is. So now we're ready to go. But since we're in a two-dimensional array, we're going to now need to use our brackets. So if we want to get that first one, I could do 0, 0. And out comes the 1. If I want to do the 20, remember the 20 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it's the rows go first. So 2D. So I'm going to do 7, comma, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if I counted right. If I did this right, we should get a 20. And man, look, rows first, counted right. So we got the 20 out. But now, to remember your start, stop, skip, we can use that here. So, right, let's go 2D. Oh, we need a capital. Right, if we do all of them, comma 5, that should give us all rows fifth. So that should be this one here. So we should get 13 through 20. That's what we get. We got it. But now, right, so that gives us all. But now let's see if we can do, let's see what else we could do. So if we want to do 2D, we could do start, stop. So right, so we want to do, we'll keep the fifth one up there. But what if I just want to do the first two, right? Nope, like this. Let's see what happens. It should go from 0 to 3. It'll stop before 3, right? So it's going to give us 0, 0, 1, 2, stop. So that's looking great. Right, now we can even, I'm going to make it go a little bit further. So we could do 2D. I'm going to do, right, we could do 0 to 5, comma 5. So that should give us the first 4. Imagine we only, now imagine, I'm going to use, now imagine we want to do every other. I can go back in, I'm going to copy this. We can go back in, we can say skip every other. There we go. So now imagine, that's one more imagine. Let's see if we can get this 2, 3. I want to get, let's see if we can do this. I want to get 2, 2, 2, 3. So 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. So let's see if we can do that. So that's going to be rows 1, this is 2, 3, and columns 1 and 2. So let's see if I can do that. Whoa. 2D. We wanted columns. We wanted 1 to 4 to get 3 of them, right? And then for 2 to 3, we're going to want 1 to 3 to get 2 of them. Let's see if this works. Here we got a 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. So you can see how this works. So you're going to be great at getting at two-dimensional arrays today.